Welcome. Welcome back, my friends. Welcome to my Ceiling Fan Special Edition Ceiling Fan Thoughts Poetry Edition. I go by many names, but it's only one, MKB, with the two E's. I'm about to set you free if you come along with me. If you want to stroll on by, you're missing a treat. If you decide to stay along, piece goes a little bit like this. It's called The Mad Lighter, Blunt Force Trauma by Mr. Black Smoky Black. I was in the office, minding my own business when I decided to take a break from writing a few paragraphs. A paper I am not familiar with falls onto the floor. Something came in my spirit and told me to investigate the scribbled up note. Wow, it's from Bic, a lighter. I remember us sharing nights together after dinner until the early morning, 3:30. Feeling anxious, I began to read, and it goes like this. Hello, my name is Bic. Mr. Black Smoky Black, personal lighter. We met at the corner store. You brought a lottery ticket and a few other knickknacks. You have a reputation of a heavy boatload of side flicks, more than you can keep up with, so I do not feel special. However, you always request for my services. That's one thing I admired about you, until you became excessive, borderline stalking. To go along, you put an APB out on me. Gotcha. You're grinning as you reach towards me. A cold, shivering feeling streams through. Am I in good hands, like Allstate? Flicking me repeatedly, I usually ignite on the first flick or two on normal working conditions. However, not today. Your abuse is coming as death is near. You took the game-winning jump shot in the championship, subsequently missing the trash can that is wider than the 75-inch TV that is hanging on the wall. I went into a lighter arrest. I was administered shake CPR, trying to revive me. Click, click, click. Nothing. Shake, shake. Nothing. You didn't even call it. Only to be violently thrown onto the lawn where I land in dog shit. Thanks to the neighbor, Miss Coop did not scoop after her poodle, Sassy, pooped. I thought we had an understanding. No syringe going up these veins. Unlike them butane dope fiends, you constantly shoot up. You've been observed force-feeding cheap lighter fluid liquor to the old school click shut alcoholics. Deuces, Mr. Black Smoky Black. You have used me up for the last time without a proper burial. You grab a lighter, saying it's your favorite, before I took my last light. Flick you, mother flicker. Go flick yourself. Flick on as the journey continues. One love.